Namaskar everyone. By now you are clear about the framework for preparing student learning guide. Let us now take an illustration on how to prepare the study guide. This is how we prepare the front page of the guide, including all basic specifications of the course. The content of the student learning guide includes introduction to the course, student work plan, and assessment evaluation system. The first section is Introduction, which includes the details of the instructor. In this illustration, we have taken the course title Insurance, which is part of the course curriculum of BCom Honours Semester 6. This section is followed by comprehensive detail about the contribution of the course in the degree profile. The generic and specific competencies of the courses are then mentioned, which were designed on the basis of the feedback and meta profile analysis. So, we have two generic competencies. Generic competency 1, ability to work independently in a professional manner. Generic competency 2, ability to communicate professional and ethical values. We have two specific competencies. Specific competency 1 is ability to assess and apply risk strategies for insurance management. Specific competency 2 is ability to plan, organize, implement and evaluate course of actions related to insurance products and plans. The second section is the work plan. As you can see that the first column of the student work plan mentions the related competencies together with the aligned course outcomes. For example, Unit 1 covers two competencies, one generic and one specific competency. The second column details the content of the syllabus. In this illustration, we can see that the student work plan is unit-wise. The plan also declares the description of the activities to be conducted in the class as well as outside the class to cover all the contents of the units related to the competencies. This column also shows the resources which will be used by the learner and also the teacher. Activities outside the classroom may include various assignments, peer learning activities and case studies. The next part of the student work plan includes the division of the total time given to the paper, which is 90 hours in this case. 45 hours are given for classroom activities and lectures and 45 hours are for the activities outside the classroom. The division of the time taken might vary depending upon the subject. Completion and submission deadlines are mentioned in the last column. The deadline for each unit is described in terms of number of weeks. Since this course is framed for 15 weeks per semester, the deadlines for the unit is given week-wise depending on the estimated work time. In the same manner, the work plan can be prepared for each unit. The third section includes assessment and evaluation system of the student learning guide. We can see that in this course, we have given equal weightage to generic and specific competencies, which is 25% in this case. In this course, we can see that the generic competency 2 is not assessed in formative assessment. This table is a dynamic table and can vary from course to course and how much weightage is given to evaluate each competency. The details of the assessment techniques are described in the next table. Each competency is assessed through formative and summative assessment. For example, for generic competency, self-learning, presentation and viva voce is used, whereas for specific competency, the peer assessment, presentation and viva voce will be used. For summative assessment, for all the competencies, pen paper test will be done. So, this is also one manner in which student learning guide can be prepared. Thank you. Hope it will help you design student learning guide for your courses.